Look what I picked up today. I haven't opened it yet. I don't know when I'm going to open. I am doing a early bird special Pokemon online cards. And I am going to give away some cards. I don't know how many yet. I'm just going to give some away. So, scan the code, write the code down, copy the codes, screenshot the code, do what you want to do. I am counting the cards now. To get these codes, again, these codes are free for you. Anyone that wants the codes can have them. So the first code that I'm going to do is the XY Fates Collides. Here's the code. The second code is the XY Steam Siege. The third code, XY Steam Siege. The fourth code is the Sword and Shield Battle Styles. The fifth code is the Sword and Shield. The sixth code is the Sword and Shield Chilling Reign. Number 7 is the Sword and Shield. Number 8, Sword and Shield Brilliant Stars. Number 9, Sword and Shield Battle Styles. Number 10 is the Sword and Shield Rebel Plash. Number 11 is the Sword and Shield. Number 12 is the Sword and Shield. Number 13 is the Sword and Shield. Number 14 is the Sun and Moon Crimson Invasion. I'm going to do one more, number 15. Number 15 is the XY Breakpoint. This is the early bird special for the Pokemon online cards. Again, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to turn on your notifications because when I go live or post an early bird special video, you're going to be notified where you can come online. Possible codes will be shown. Whenever I go live, anytime I go live, I will post the Pokemon online codes. If I just post the video, I may have the codes, I may not, but definitely go live. You will have access and opportunity to get the codes because your notifications will be turned on and you're going to get the notification, so you'll be able to get the codes. Again, subscribe to my channel, like and share my video, and I will catch you later.